Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to Cuisine Stop. So my today's recipe is a Bengali style shrimp potato curry, which is chingri aloo dalna. I grew up eating this recipe because my mom used to make this often, but I learned this recipe from my sister. She makes this recipe the best, and this is my ultimate favorite shrimp recipe. So without wasting any time, let's check out the ingredients and the recipe. So first we need to marinate our shrimp with turmeric powder and salt for around 5 minutes. And here I have taken around 12 to 14 pieces of shrimp. So after 5 minutes I am going to fry my marinated shrimp and potato pieces respectively, and today I am using mustard oil. So I am going to fry my potatoes first. Until a nice golden color. So it should take around 3 to 4 minutes. And my potatoes are now done, and I'll take them out from the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, I'm going to fry my marinated shrimp. Try to fry them in a single layer. If you over fry your shrimp, it might get a rubbery texture and it won't taste good in your curry. So I'll suggest 1 to 2 minutes each side is more than sufficient. So my shrimp is now done. So in the same pan, I'm going to use some whole spices as a foron. And now I'm going to temper the oil with these whole spices for around 15 to 20 seconds. And now I'm going to add chopped onions. And I'm going to fry my onions until they are nicely caramelized. As you can see, my onions are now little caramelized, and now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar. Here I am using brown sugar. You can use regular sugar as well. A teaspoon of ginger paste. And 1.5 tablespoon of crushed garlic. I love the crunch of garlic in my curry. You can use garlic paste as well. And fry them for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add tomato and green chili and as well as salt as per your taste. Mix everything and cover it with a lid at least for 2 minutes. By that time, take a small bowl and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika. Then add water and make a paste. And now after 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid, and as you can see the tomatoes are little mushy now. At that time, add that spice paste mixture into this gravy and mix everything well. And now add your fried potato pieces into the gravy and mix until they are nicely coated with the masala. And now add around 2 cups of hot water and mix everything. When water starts bubbling, cover it with a lid and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes in low heat or until the potatoes are nicely cooked. So after 10 minutes, let me just open the lid and check potatoes. Yes, it's perfectly done. Now I'm going to add my fried shrimps. So I'm almost done with the recipe. I'll be just finishing off with a pinch of garam masala powder and I'll give a one last stir and switch off the heat, and I'll cover it with a lid for around 2 minutes so that the garam masala powder will add a nice aroma to this dish. So my Bengali style shrimp potato curry or chingri aloo dalna is absolutely ready. Please give it a try guys and let me know. Subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends because there will be a lots of recipes coming over soon. Till then, take care everyone and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.